Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make Android and iOS smartphone or tablet as Windows computers second or extended screen. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, on your Windows computer, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application named as SpaceX. As you can see here, on the first list, you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you will see its official website. Just scroll down below. Now here you will see some software installers. So if you're using a Windows 10 then or 11, then you can download for respective version. And if you're using a lower version like Windows 8 or 8.1, then you can download for respective Windows operating system. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 64-bit, so I'm going to download this. So it's started to download, so wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So finally download has been completed. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So you can see the installer, so just double click it to run the installer. So let us proceed by clicking on next, click on I accept, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. Wait for a few more seconds until the complete installation is done. So finally the application has been installed successfully, so click on finish. So before starting or running these applications, so we'll just move to our Android smartphone. Now on our Android smartphone, just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for the name as SpaceX. Just search this application. As you can see on the first list, SpaceX, just tap on it. Now click on install to install this application on your respective Android or iOS smartphones. So finally we have installed in both of our devices, that is in our Windows computer as well as on our Android devices. So if you're using a iOS, that is iPhone or iPad devices, then you can go to the App Store and download this similar application named as SpaceX. So the tricks will remain the same. So before proceeding or tapping on the open, just you need to connect both your smartphone or tablet or Windows computer with the same Wi-Fi internet connections. So if you don't have the same Wi-Fi internet connections, then these tricks may not work for you. So I have already connected with the same Wi-Fi internet connections both in my computer as well as in my smartphone. So what I will do, I'll just run the SpaceX. So finally you can see the SpaceX console, right? So by default it is being turned on. As you can see here, it's being turned on. Now similarly, on your Android smartphone, just tap on open to open or run the SpaceX application on your smartphone. Just click on OK. Now you can see here it's already showing my computer, right? So you can see just below it, desktop, it's written on my smartphone. So just tap on these connections. Now you can see here my smartphone screen, right? So let me minimize this one so that you can see here completely. So you can see here, right, my smartphone screen. So you can get a similar looking Windows screen on the respective smartphones, right? So if you tap on the Windows icon, you can see here, so it's not opening in the computer, right? It's opening in the smartphone. So if I tap on the start menu icon, so you can see here, so if you want to bring this mouse in the desktop, then what you need to do is just move to the left side. Then you can see here the mouse appears on the computer screen, right? And if I move this mouse cursor to the right of the computer screen, then it will appear on the smartphone screen. That means my Android smartphone is acting like an extended screen or the second screen, right? So if I move this mouse to the left side of my smartphone screen, then it will be moved back. As you can see here, the mouse cursor start appearing again in my Windows computer desktop screen. So finally we have successfully made our Android or iOS smartphones or tablet as Windows computer's second screen or extended screen very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out, and this is one of the best application and which is totally free of cost. So you should definitely try out if you want to make Android and iOS smartphone or tablet as Windows computer's second screen or extended screen. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.